Most PCs are stuck with slow startup, unwanted apps, and too many notifications. But the good news is you don't have to live like that. A few quick adjustments make a huge difference, and that's what I'm showing you in today's video. Notifications. Be the boss, not a victim. Windows loves to tell you everything. New app updates, reminders, suggestions, you name it, and most of it are complete distractions. So head over to Settings, System, and Notifications, and instead of shutting everything off, just pick the apps that actually matter to you. Your calendar? Sure, it can stay, but Candy Crush? Well, I think you can live without that buzzing every 5 minutes. OneDrive loves to help by reminding you about memories, file suggestions, or that random folder you opened one time. But on a desktop, it's basically spam. So here's the easy fix. Right-click on the OneDrive icon in your system tray, go to Settings, Notifications, turn off On This Day, and any other non-essential alerts. Now you'll still get critical stuff like sync errors, but your PC stops acting like it's running its own social feed. Finally, some peace and quiet. And while you're there, check autosave and sync only the folders that you actually use. This will cut down the background activity and slowdowns. Focused Assist. Take control of distractions. Windows 11 is full of notifications as we discussed, and even after trimming OneDrive and app alerts, you'll still get pings, dings, and banners when you're in the zone. Enter Focus Assist, your new best friend. Go to Settings, System, Focus Assist, and choose Priority Only or Alarms Only. Priority Only shows notifications from apps and contacts you actually care about. Alarms Only makes sure that only the truly critical stuff gets through. Set it to automatically activate during work hours or gaming sessions so you won't be interrupted by Teams messages at 2 a.m. or random app reminders. And if you want to toggle this instantly, just press Windows N and hit the Focus Assist quick toggle, no settings digging required. These little tweaks will make your system feel cleaner right away, but if you want a hands-off way to keep your PC fast, then check out our video covering the tools that we tested that do all of this automatically. Be sure to hit the like button if you found a new tip in this video, and drop a comment to let us know which tweak made the biggest difference in your setup. But as always, thank you so much for watching. This has been Safety Detectives, keeping your tech running fast, clean, and under control, and we'll see you in the next video.